Guided Meditation, Selflessness and Love. So, let's start this meditation as usual by finding your comfortable position, sitting or lying. Take a moment or two to get yourself organized and relaxed. Now, close your eyes and slowly bring your attention to your breathing. Breathing in and out. Deeply but naturally. Focus on the turning point, that still point between breathing in and out. Bring that still point into your heart center, which will be the focus point of our meditation today. Today, we're going to focus on selflessness. In communicating with others, particularly in writing, we may sign off by saying love and light. This is not the love of kissing and cuddling or physical closeness. This is the love of conscious interaction, resoluteness, atonement, or at-one-ment. It's the love represented by a close bond. This is the projecting of our heart center towards universal, towards spiritual love and life. What do you understand by this? By applying attitudes of love within a spiritual life? Ponder on this for a moment or two. Now focus once more on your breathing. And when you're ready, draw this focus to your third eye, your brow area, and concentrate inwards towards your pineal gland. Hold this focus internally within your head. Perhaps you can feel some degree of energy building, focusing on your brow area. Now, visualize moving this focus, still held internally, down to your heart center. Hold it there and feel the energy grow. Keep sensing the energy growing. Now, think of a situation or an activity, not a person, notice. Think of some activity you're involved in doing or are about to do. Be as clear in your mind as you can be. Now, ask yourself, what's the outcome, the objective, the intended result of this particular activity? Ask yourself, why am I involved in doing this activity? Is it perhaps so that things can progress positively at home, at work, or in life generally? Is it perhaps the awareness that the achieved outcome will build into something bigger and better for the benefit of the bigger picture? Is it perhaps the feeling that your inputs will be helping your team or group or family, including yourself, of course, to have the satisfaction of achievement? What do you see as your key outcome from this activity? These are all activities involving selflessness on your part and on the part of others too. Feel the energy, the love energy in your heart towards your colleagues, your friends, your family, towards all those involved in your various activities within your overall life vista. Sense the emanations of that positive love energy leaving your body to reach out towards those individuals. Can you sense the cloud of positive energy, of love? And feel the positive energies of others which are mixing with yours. People doing things for the good of the overall plan, rather than for personal or selfish gain. It's the way forward in this age of Aquarius. There's some way to go, obviously. Progress like this takes eons of time to reach some degree of completion. Also, individuals progress at different paces and in different ways. But progress is in the air. For example, just look at what's happening with environmental issues over the last 20 years. Look at how matters are rising to the forefront of people's consciousness. A collective consciousness. The positive, selfless energies are rising. Rising. Feel these energies around you, not to be projected out in this meditative time, but to be blended and expanded with the selfless energies emanating from others around you. Bathe in this blend of positive energy as the sounds also blend with your heart center. And as you reach out once more to your colleagues, friends, and family, focus again on your breathing. In celebration of these moments of selflessness. And gradually breathe yourself back to your more normal state. Thank you.